Do you know what you should never order on an airplane? You're gonna hate me when I tell you that those Lotus Biscoff cookies they always give you are not good for you. It's just a combination of vegetable oils, processed flours, and added sugars. They use 2 different types of added sugars, and it's 10 grams of sugar for 2 cookies. Hate to break it to you, I know how good they taste. When I found this out, I was devastated too. Instead, what you can do is opt for nuts, or maybe even the fruit platter. Or my favorite, you can just fast the entire way if it's the morning, or make sure to eat a nice, big, healthy meal before you're headed to the airport.